Alright, so this is more of an Ark test and study. Now, this is with the cheat command, force time area of effects. Now, the way I did this is set, basically to put 10 nines in it. Now, it ultimately, results will vary for anyone else who's going to do this, and for everyone watching, this took me 3 hours to do, because I was originally going to do every single creature, but things just kept tacking, and it basically flipped up the recording. Well, technically recording the results of the creatures, so I did a handful, and I also did results for all the eggs. So, and again, this isn't all of them because there's, but this also has the new Tech Stego and Tech Rex. So the results, we had up to 19 Stegosauruses, around 9 Allos, 1 Tech Rex, around 24 Argentavises, 4 Rexes, 5 Raptors, and 2 Tech Stegos. So that's pretty impressive, to say the least, but that's not even half of them. There is way more creatures, and you will see when I list the eggs that I got. And of course, the result for eggs: 2 Ankylo eggs, 8 Argy eggs, 5 Kentrosaurus eggs, 2 Scorpion eggs, 1 Dio egg, 3 Stego eggs, 1 Tech Stego egg, 1 Pachy egg, and 1 Dimorphodon egg. And again, if you want to do this test on your own, you need to get the cheat, force time area of effect, put 10 nines in it, walk in any pattern. For me, I just walk straight. You can walk straight too, but I did it on a custom world, so all the creatures I found would be different to one on, for say, Island, Scorched Earth, Aberration, Center, and Ragnarok. And you have to do that pattern for 2 minutes, and you don't have to count every creature, but count at least 5 or 6 creatures with tallies. Any eggs that you do, and you should wait for 3 hours for them all to lay an egg. Collect the egg after that for 3 hours, tally up and count the eggs in your inventory. And it will actually show the number of them anyway. And for that, that's interesting because for one, a lot of the most I got obviously was actually Kentrosaurus. And I actually had this, and yeah, you saw that I had like around 24 Argies, but only got 8 eggs. So this shows that the force time area of effect is very dangerous, and this can basically make a raid much more easier to control, or for the person who's raiding, much more easier to raid. Because you really need to be careful when dealing with the area of effect command, if you know. And again, you can also put in depending on the size of the effect, of the area of effect. So let's say you do 12, the numbers will be a bit bigger, but it will still vary. But I will actually need to do this for Island, Scorched Earth, Ragnarok, the Center, and Aberration. See, that's going to take a lot of work, so this is my recording for a custom island. So again, the results will vary, but most of the time, you will have some form of Dilo or Dodo. Other creatures will vary, but I guarantee you will have Dodo, Dilo, Raptor, Stego, or any other common creature that you can find in the world. And you saw that I got 4 Rexes, but I only had 1 Tech Rex. Well, I actually did originally have 6 normal Rexes, but 2 died. And this also shows how rare some of the tech creatures are, with Tech Rex being the more rare one. So yeah, that is pretty interesting of how you are more likely able to find some creatures more than others. And again, the meters can also vary, so there's multiple outcomes of what you can get on multiple things, and the possibilities for this command can be absolutely endless. And just one step, then use pressing that AoE effect. And you have to do 3 areas of creatures that are not moving, by the way, so yeah, good luck with that. And another thing to note is that a lot of other tame creatures like hyenodons were just being killed off left and right. So do expect some to die. So yeah, this is some results that I got for an experiment I'm doing. So maybe next time for science, I could calculate how sharp the Kentrosaurus's spikes would be in order to do literally punches, probably flesh and probably bone as well. So yeah, that's basically the scientific thing of how dangerous an area of effect force tame would be. So see you later.